Do you want fix a freezes screen in Zenless Zone Zero? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay? The step by step, okay? The first step, okay? We are going to the App Store or Play Store, okay? You depending if you have a Android or iPhone, okay? And here in the search you put Zenless Zone Zero, okay? And go to the game, okay? And if you have a button of update, okay, you update the game, okay? The second step, okay, we are going to settings of your phone, okay? And here we are going to the apps, okay, section in Android. If you have an iPhone, you scroll down, okay? And here you have the apps, your apps of your phone, okay? And just going down, and here Zenless Zone Zero, okay, you click, and in the Android you clear cache, okay, and in the iPhone you enable this option, okay, in the settings of your phone, okay, and you solve the problem of freezes. Bye bye.